Before confirming your services, you will want to use the refresh availability feature to ensure that the services you have quoted are still available. It will also indicate to you if any price changes have occurred since your initial quoting. First, navigate to the Bookings tab where you will see all of your services broken down by supplier. When using the refresh button, you can select a single service, a single supplier, multiple suppliers, or the entire page. Once I've selected a desired service to refresh, in this example, this particular hotel, I can navigate to a few different places to perform the refresh action. First, if I have selected a single service, I can go to the end of that line, select the arrow, and select refresh. Second, if I have selected an entire supplier, I can go to the end of that supplier's line, select the arrow, and then select refresh. Lastly, I can navigate to the top right-hand corner to the right of confirmation action, select this down arrow, and then select refresh. This will then populate a new window. You can then see that the refresh is in process as it connects back to the suppliers to check the availability. As you can see, we have a good example of two hotels, the Flamingo and the Del Coronado, that have both increased in price. So as we can see, an arrow is pointing up to the top right-hand corner with an action saying the supplier total cost has increased by USD 15. We can also click this little triangle saying that the previously selected rate is not available, just saying about more of the same. If we look at this, we can also see the supplier total cost increased by 7 USD. If I click the arrow as I just did, you can see this blue pop-up that comes up and it will tell you what the original cost was and the new price, as well as the percentage of the price increase. Now that I've refreshed, I will hit done. This will take me back to the booking page. As you can see from that screen, we were able to see if the service is still available at no price change, as one of them was. If the service was available, but the price had changed, as two of the services were, or if a service has become unavailable. For an example of a service that has become unavailable, I'll select this last one, hit refresh, and let it connect with the suppliers. As you can see, I've got a clear unavailable sign, so I'll need to go back to Builder and select a new source. Once your refresh is complete, you will now be able to go ahead and confirm your services or go back to Builder into the API search to find a new replacement.